Hi, it's Miss Debbie at Fountaindale Library. I'm here today to work on a little fall craft with you, a little squirrel that I put together. Now the kit is going to be in the library starting today for as long as supplies last, but if you don't get a kit, there's lots, you can look at different ways to put this together at home. It's real easy. Okay, so let's get started. So in your kit, you're going to get a cup. And squirrels comes in all different colors, so you might get a different colored cup, okay? Then you're going to get a tail, and you're going to get this sheet of paper that has all these different shapes on it that you can cut out. And the thing about this, kids, is if you want to cut them out and put them on different colored paper, you can make a colorful squirrel. You're going to get a little face, and then you're going to get two options for a nose. There's this little nose here that you can cut out, and then I'm also going to give you a little pom-pom and a glue dot if you wanted to try that option, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and make the gray squirrel. So I already went ahead and cut out some of these pieces, so it would save us a little time. So I have my nose plate. Oh, you also get Google eyes too. And I've got my feet, and I've got my ears. And is that everything I need? I think so. Oh, my little tummy plate. Here we go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is work on my face, I think. So here is my face. I'm going to take my plate and put it kind of in the center. Make sure it's kind of square, lined up with the front and the top there. Okay. And then I'm going to take some of my markers. Some things to have on hand are markers and some tape and some scissors and some glue and a pencil and a stapler, okay? I guess we don't really need a stapler this time. So just those other things. Just get out your craft supplies because you never know what you might need. I'm going to put a little color on my ears and put them in next. And I'm going to do my Google eyes. Who doesn't love a Google eye? All right. One here. And put one here. Okay, so what option should we do for the nose? Well, on my example, I did this little nose. So maybe we'll try the pom-pom nose this time. What do you think? Okay, so I'm going to take my glue dot off my plastic. There are sticky things. Put it on my pom-pom. Okay. And then I'm going to stick the glue dot down with my pom-pom. Oh, I think I like that nose, don't you? Yep. Okay, good choice. And then I'm just going to take my purple one just because I have it. You can use black. And I'm going to make a little mouth like that. See how that worked? Okay, so I kind of have my face done, don't I? So now I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my tummy plate here. And you see there's a seam in the back? So I'd put the tail there, so I'd find where that is in the front, and I'd go on the opposite side of that and put my tummy plate on, like that. Okay. And then I'm going to attach my face. Like that. That looks, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and do my feet. I'm going to add some toes to my feet here, like this. And like that. I'm going to glue. Let's see, which part would I glue? Yep, I think that's right. I'm going to glue right here and right here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck them up underneath there and bend them. So I'm going to glue them in there and crease them over the top like that. And this is where you might need a little tape, because they have wax on these cups and sometimes that causes a problem. There's my squirrel. Like that, okay. And then I'm going to add a little fun little fur to the tummy plate here too, my markers. Like that, just add a little detail. You can add little whiskers up here too if you want. A little thing there, maybe some eyebrows over the eyes, like that, huh? Fun? Okay, now comes the fun part. We're going to take our tail, and we're going to take our pencil or a marker or just your fingers, and we're going to roll it on up like that. Pull it out, straighten it out a little bit. See how that goes? Okay. And then we're going to take our glue and we're going to attach it onto the, see where that seam is again? Okay, so that's our back. So we're going to attach our tail onto that. There you go. Which nose do you like better, huh? You get to pick. And like I said, you can chase this on different colored paper if you'd like and make different colored squirrels. And you can make more than this then too. So there you have it, kids. You have your different squirrels. Which nose option do you like? You get to pick. So I hope you come into the library and pick up a kit, or use the video to find the supplies at home to make your own. See you next time. Bye-bye.